couple days ago, when I was out taking care of this dirt, the grass seed, you see the mother robin over there now. She's watching me. She's been trying to nurse it, but we found a couple days ago, we found this little baby. I found it. It had fallen out of the nest, and as you can see, it appears its right leg is broken. It's sticking out to the side. It fell out of the nest, and the mother's been trying to nurse it. Connie called the bird sanctuary yesterday, and they will take the robin. They said to pick her up if she's injured and put her in a box and keep her in a dark place. But we left her out here last night, and it did pour down rain a few times. But the mother has been coming around and trying to get her to fly and get her going. But I don't know whether the mother realizes that she has a broken leg. But the bird sanctuary opens at 10 a.m., so Connie's going to take her in at 10 a.m. The nest was right there's Mama. She's right there watching me. She's upset. We feel bad about taking the baby away from the mother, but as you can see, I don't know whether you can see it or not, we found the nest. Oh, right there's the nest. But as you can see, one of the babies is hanging down there dead. I don't know if something got in the nest or they tried to climb out and that one got stuck or whatever. But I can't zoom in, I'm using Pro Movie, and I don't know where the zoom feature that on it. But yeah, there's the nest she fell out of to the ground. That's probably when she broke her leg. But yeah, that's what we got going on. We don't know what to do. We don't want the poor thing to sit there and die. And I don't know if the bird sanctuary can save it and release it or what. But Connie's going to take it in at 10 a.m. Another project we got going on here today, homestead. Going to this left tank. Frog seen me coming and went under. This left tank here, I'm going to pour everything out of it. Put the fish, I'll save some of the water in a different habitat. Put some of the fish, I put all the fish in the water, and then I've got to pull all that out of there. I've got a new liner and a new pad for that. It's got a plastic pad under it, under the liner, but I called we got a hold of the old owner, and they said that it may be leaking just a little, but the water goes down rather quickly, and a little too quickly for, I would think, evaporation. So that's what else we're going to do today. Pull all that out, clean it, clean the filter, and go on. Never ending around here. Bye-bye. Right there's the stranded robin. She's trying to hop. Actually, she's trying to hop on the leg that's bent out. You can see it's broken though. It's sticking straight out, and she's trying to hop. Here comes the mother. She's kind of hanging around. She's been coming up and feeding her. But she's trying to hop, but the one leg's sticking out now. See, we are torn. We don't know whether to just leave her here in her natural habitat, or take her where they may be able to splint her leg up and get her going. I think we'd be better off taking her to the bird sanctuary. There's the mother. She's hanging close. She's trying to get her going is what she's doing. Poor little thing. She may never have use of that leg. She just fed it. And she flew away. Told y'all yesterday that we were going to redo the pond, and we did get her done. There was some live plants in this side. This is where the frog, this is the side the frog lives on. There were some live plants in here, but they made it really, really nasty. So we removed them, went and got a bunch of fake plants, put in there, where the frog could have a place to hide when people came around. Trying to keep the sun behind me as well as I can, but here's the fish side. It's much cleaner. We put a new filter in the pump. Yeah, it looks much nicer. Much nicer. Leak, there was a leak right here. I got some Flex Seal tape. The water was going down quite a bit. I mean, it was abnormal, we could tell. More abnormal than just evaporation. But we went and got some Flex Seal tape and out of the vehicle, the drought drifter. We always carry Flex Seal tape in case drifter would get a leak. But there was a hole right here, a little tear, and I put the Flex Seal tape on it, so maybe now the water won't go down as quickly. We'll see. But yeah, that's what we're doing. We got her done. Water's much clearer, clean.